Welcome to Langwill. In this video, we'll show you how to translate your Shopify store. Go to Language in the menu bar and select all the languages you want to translate your Shopify store into. First, you need to confirm the translation type. There are 3 translation types. Language lock, no translation will be performed. Automatically translates using browser's built-in translation feature, unable to edit translation results. Automatically translates using an AI engine and allows you to edit the machine translation results. Please note that only the advanced language option will generate translation. The translation of the basic type has been completed and can be directly published. For the advanced type, click the Translate button to automatically translate the entire content. You can check the progress of your translation at Translation Status. For the advanced type, click the Manage button to enter the specific language view. Click on the section you want to edit to go to the editing page for that section. On the right side, you'll see the machine translated results. You can correct the translation and then click Save to save your edits. You can also use the drop-down menu at the top to quickly switch between sections. If you can't find the content you want to edit, you can use the global search to locate it. After manually translating the content, click Publish to publish the translated version of your store. At this point, the translation of your current store is complete. You can click Preview to preview the translated version of your store. If your store content is updated in the future and you want to automatically update the translations, enable the Auto Translation feature. Please note that only products and collections will be automatically sync. For other content, free plan users need to sync manually, while paid users will have an automatic sync from 2 to 3 a.m. daily. You can also sync immediately by clicking the Sync button. If you haven't enabled auto translation, any updates to your store content will not be automatically translated. You can check the number of items translated to confirm if everything has been translated. And you can click Translate All to manually execute the translation process.